Look around your room right now. What do you see? Is it clean and tidy? Or is it full of mess and things everywhere? Here is something many people do not know. The space around you can change the way you feel inside. A messy room can make your mind feel tired and busy. A clean room can make your mind feel calm and free. Today, I want to share with you the simple power of keeping your room clean. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let's learn together about the calm power of a tidy space. First, let us understand the big idea. Your room is like a mirror of your mind. When your room is full of mess, your mind often feels full of mess too. There are too many things to see, so your brain feels tired. But when your room is clean and open, your mind feels clear and calm. This is not magic. It is real. The space you live in talks to your mind all day. A tidy space gives your mind a quiet rest. Let us talk about how a clean room helps you. When your room is clean, you can find your things easily. You do not waste time looking for your keys, your shoes, or your papers. You feel more ready and in control. You can think better. You can work better. You can rest better. A clean room is like a calm friend that helps you in everything you do. It takes away small stress and gives you peace. A clean room is also good for your health. When a room is messy and dusty, it is not good for your body. Dust can make you cough or feel sick. But when you clean your room, the air becomes fresh. Everything feels healthy and bright. You sleep better in a clean bed. You feel better in a clean space. So keeping your room clean is not only about how it looks, it is also about taking care of your body. Now, some people look at a very messy room and feel lost. They think, it is too much. I don't know where to start. If you feel this way, don't worry. Here is the secret. Do not try to clean everything at once. Start small. Start with just one thing. Pick up the things on the floor, or clean only your desk. One small clean part will make you feel good, and that good feeling helps you keep going. Small steps beat a big mess every time. Here is a wonderful first habit. Make your bed every morning. This is one of the best and easiest habits in the world. When you wake up, take 1 minute to make your bed neat. It is a small thing, but it is powerful. You start your day with one task done. Your room looks better right away, and it gives you a little push to keep things tidy all day. One made bed in the morning sets a calm mood for the whole day. Let me give you another simple rule. put things back where they belong. Most mess happens slowly when we leave things in the wrong place. A cup here, a shirt there, a book on the floor. So make a small habit. After you use something, put it back. It takes only a few seconds, but it stops the mess before it grows. If everything has its own place, your room stays tidy almost by itself. This one small rule keeps your space clean. Here is another helpful idea. Have less stuff. Sometimes our rooms are messy because we simply have too many things. Look around. Are there things you never use? Old clothes you do not wear? Things that are broken? When you give away or remove what you do not need, your room becomes easy to keep clean. Less stuff means less mess. A simple room with fewer things is calm and easy to live in. So keep what you love and use, and let the rest go. Let me also share a fun tip. Clean a little every day. Do not wait until your room is a huge mess and then spend a whole day cleaning. That feels hard and tiring. Instead, do a little each day. Spend 5 or 10 minutes tidying up before sleep. Put things back. Clear your desk. Make it a small daily habit. When you clean a little every day, your room is always nice, and you never face a big, scary mess. Now, let me show you my favorite secret. You can learn English while you clean. Cleaning your room is a quiet task, and your ears are free. So put on your headphones and listen to an English podcast like this one while you tidy up. Your hands clean the room, and your ears learn English at the same time. The work feels faster and more fun, and you turn a simple chore into an English lesson. This is a smart way to use your time twice. We have learned so many helpful things about keeping your room clean today. We learned that your room is like a mirror of your mind. We learned that a clean room helps you find your things, think better, and rest better. We learned that a tidy space is good for your health. We learned to start small, to make our bed every morning, and to put things back where they belong. We learned to have less stuff and to clean a little every day. And we learned to learn English while we clean. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will learn about the joy of learning something new every day and how it keeps your mind young and your life exciting, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep tidy, keep calm, and keep speaking English.